Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. We've got two jobs today, a delivery and a collection. It's pissing out here. I'm not going to be long. I just want to get things done quickly. I've done my checks for the truck. I'm going to do the ones on the trailer as well as we go along, and then we get the hell out of here. Right. First thing first, dog pin in. Where are you? There you go. Dog pin in. Gonna do the lines. Right guys, lines done. Just going to do the legs. Done. Legs done. Check tires, nuts, airbag is okay. Tires, nuts, airbag, tires, nuts, all set. Airbags, both sides. Get the number plate. Let's sort it out. Check the load. Right trailer B85. That's 699 Swindon. Right. Lights are working. Marker lights at the top. Last checks. Tires. Okay, airbags. Tires okay, body work. Final check. See whether the dog pin is in. Yeah, right. Sorted guys, let's go. Right guys, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. I've got two jobs today. I've already hooked up, I've done all my checks, and we're ready to go. If you're new to this channel, please kindly do subscribe. Share and like my contents, as I do always reply to the comments. Leave a comment saying that I have subscribed. I'll always get back to you. Share and like my contents. Press the notification bell down below to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. If you're new and you want to know how Truckers Lifestyle is, go back onto my other videos. You'll see a lot of journeys that I've made, hooking up a trailer, coupling and uncoupling, and doing my checks. So guys, I won't keep you long. I'm just going to go at the gatehouse and then we get leaving. See you guys. See you in a bit. Right guys, we're ready to go. Let's clear the windscreen and then start moving. Right. Guys, heading to the gatehouse. See you at the gatehouse. Right guys, just got here at the gatehouse. I'm gonna get the clearance and then head to Swindon. Right guys, all done. Heading to Swindon. It's going to take us 2 hours and a half, so we're going to be there about 10:30 guys, 10:30. It's not 10:30. 8:30 or 8:30 ETA. Right, guys. See you later. Hello, guys. We're merging on M1 South. We'll be taking the M1 South and then join, pick up the A43, the M40, go off at Junction 9, pick up the 34, and go off the 34 and pick up the A420 to Swindon. I've posted this video before, and I hope for those who've not been onto this channel can get to watch it and see how the journey unfolds. Right, guys, it's pissing out there. You need to look around a lot to see what's around your surroundings and drive safe. So that's what I'm doing. Have to be on the look all the time. It's not just driving, so you have to be vigilant and try to see that you keep others safe and keep yourself safe as well. So right, guys, I'll get back to you as soon as we get to the A43. Right, guys, see you in a bit. Guys, I can't believe it. It's raining cats and dogs. Massive rain. Almost zero visibility. But taking it easy, not rushing. There's a lot of lightning going on, but keeping it easy and trying to be safe. Right, guys, I'll keep you updated, but it's really raining cats and dogs. As you can see, it's really raining cats and dogs. Right, guys, we're turning off, leaving the M1 South, picking up the A43, going towards Swindon. It's raining throughout, and one has to be very, very careful. Very, I repeat, very careful. So just playing my cards well to see that we deliver the goods safe and return back home safe. So I've just gone off. I'm going to pick up the A43. It's around here. So bear with me. It's stopped raining around here, but the traffic is horrendous, as you know, because everybody is trying to get in. So there's some roadworks here, and we'll have to bear with it, take it easy as we go along. Look at this guy. What is it doing? Right. I'll give you a shout once we go through this roadworks, guys. Right. It's really a nightmare with all these roadworks going on. But somebody's lost track. Where do you go off there? Because there's a gap. Some people really don't look into consideration. You have to be very, very vigilant. Somebody went over the cones and not knowing that part is cordoned off, it's blocked. Like here, this look, somebody just goes wrong. Right guys, now we have picked up the A43, heading towards Oxford. So we're going to be on the A43, pick up the M40, go off the M40 at junction 9, and then pick up the A34 towards Oxford, and from there we'll be going off the A420, which is going to take us all the way to Swindon. Right guys, I'll keep you updated as we go along. See you in a bit. Right guys, so we're soon leaving the A43, picking up the M40, which is going to take us all the way to junction 9, where we're going to go off at junction 9 and pick up the A34. So we're just about to leave the 43 and join the M40. Just bear with me, just at the traffic lights. Need to stop here. We've left the 43, sorry. We're going to pick up, the M40. And then we head to Swindon. Right guys, so we're on the 34 now. The A34 is going to take us all the way near Oxford. So we're going to pick up the A420, which is going to take us all the way to Swindon. So right guys, I'll keep you updated and see you later. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. We're almost leaving the A34, going off at the next junction, pick up the A420, which is going to take us all the way to Swindon. So just got the 3 markers that indicates that you're turning off. It's the countdown. So yeah, so that's it. On the pick up the 420. That was quick. Changed so quick. Moves around here. Cones all over the place. Yeah. You have to be careful and mindful of the cones which are laid down. Concrete slabs drop down on the side. You have to try and see that you don't touch that. And yeah, we are now on the A420 guys, so it's going to take us another hour to get to the other side near Swindon. Right guys, there's not much, no lights on this street, on this road, I can say. So just bear with me. I'll have to see you later once there's anything that unfolds. See you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. We are approaching Swindon. We are already in Swindon and heading to the delivery point, which is not far off from here. So just got to go off the A420, which we have done now, and pick up A419 north. That is going to take us to our delivery point where we're going to do the delivery. So that's it. Just going to go around a couple of rounds over this big massive roundabout, and then pick up the A419 north. So keep you posted as we go along. Everything is good so far. So let's see from here. Oh, green lights everywhere. That's awesome. It never happens, not all the time, that you find a green light changing every time and you can just drive without no issues. Right guys, we are picking up the A419 and we're not far off at the delivery point, so speak to you later. Hello guys, we are approaching Swindon at the regional center. So just get back here a bit and then see you at the gatehouse. Right guys, just parked on a bay now. Just gotta go there and offload right in the back. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Just arrived here safe and sound at Swindon, Aldi Regional Center, ready to go and offload, and then try and see if we can make up to go and pick up the collection. If you're new to this channel, please kindly do subscribe, share and like my contents. Leave a comment down below saying I have subscribed, because I always do go back on the comments and reply them back. Press the notification bell down below to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. Right guys, I'll have to go in the back and then offload, and then I'll see you later on. See you guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. Just finished offloading and all done. Gonna have a quick break and then head to Wales. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be, I think, an hour or so. Yeah, I'll just check and then but roughly I know it's gonna be an hour plus to get there, and then try and see if I can get the load after loading, and then just drive back home straight. Right, guys, if you're new onto this channel, please kindly do subscribe, share, and like my contents. Press the notification bell to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. And leave a comment down below saying that I have subscribed. I'll always get back and reply your comments. I'll be attaching the other video with the collection. I'll try and see if I can separate them, but if not, see you in the next one, guys. Ciao for now.